In today's video, I am going to take you through step-by-step process on how you can literally make money on Binance without investing. This is the simplest method on how you can make money on Binance without putting a single penny. So if this is your first time visiting Akapo TV, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Today I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to take you through step-by-step process from head to toe. So just stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is to get your Binance account. So if you don't have any Binance account, what I would tell you is to check the link in the description section. You get that link and you follow. Make sure you verify your Binance account. Okay, all of us knows that if you are already inside crypto, you know what Binance we use Binance for, and we all know what Binance, we use it to buy crypto, we use it to transfer crypto assets. You can also invest on Binance. There are so many ways that you can make money on Binance, but this is the simplest method. You don't need to invest anything. You just need to have your data and your mobile internet connection, as well as having some few groups. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance account. Okay, so when you log into your Binance account, as I've logged into my account like this, what you have to do is just to click on the referral. Okay, when you click on the referral, you have to wait for some time for it to load. Okay, as it's loading, you can also check on the crypto market or the buy section, and that is where you find cryptos to buy. But we are not going to focus on that. We are going to focus on how we can make this free up to 2000 USDC. This USDT, we all know that it's equivalent to US dollars. Is equivalent to US dollars. So if you make up to 2000 USDC, it's equal to 2000 US dollars. So what you have to do is you have to invite people. You have to invite your friends who are willing to invest. So let's say you have in a crypto group, people who are already in the crypto system and they know how the system works. Okay, and what you have to do, just click on the referral section, then it will open like this. You see that I've already accumulated 90.71%, that is 45.37 USDT. So the first target is 50 USDT. So I've already accumulated 90% of it. So the next target is 180. When you already accumulate 50 USDT, they will take you to R2, then followed to R3, R4, and then R5 and R6. So on R6, that's where you can make up to 1000 USDC here. Okay, and this then what it is that they have a maximum number of days. That's a 9-day period, and now it left with 15 hour 2 minutes. Okay, you can see it on the grounds there. So you just scroll up, and then the first thing you should do is to come down here and then click on the invite friends. When you click on invite friends like this, you see that your referral link will be opened. It will copy. Okay, I am using my PC, that's why you are seeing the QR code on the screen. But if you are using a phone, it will not show like this. Okay, it will not show like this. But if you are using your PC or your desktop, what you have to do is just use your phone and scan the QR code. Okay, when you scan it, you see the referral link, then you start sharing it to your social media followers. Okay, so this is how you can literally make money on this platform without investing. The first thing is that when you invite your friends and they invest on the platform, they are going to give you percentage on that. And when you get to the accumulated amount, which is the $50, you'll be able to withdraw this amount into your account. So just click on invite. Okay, that's how it is. So check the link in the description section. Then make sure you follow all the steps that I've done here, and let's see what happens next. Thank you very much, and subscribe to the channel.